Hello everyone, this is Kavi from TASSTA with another short one. Today I'd like to introduce to you the Sonim XP5900. This is this unit, okay? And it is an absolute perfect replacement for the radio system. So that's the target of this device by Sonim. With a bigger screen that you can have a better overview about your applications and also what the user is doing. And it is fully integrated with the T-Flex application. That means you can use it and download it from our web page or from the Play Store, which you can find where you can find your T-Flex. The PTT button is using absolutely smoothly and perfect, and you have here your knob where you can change the channels, right? And we are going back to main and press the PTT button again, and you have also your emergency button here, and you can press and enjoy your lone worker protection. Please note, this is not a touch screen, okay? That's the reason why you need each time to press the buttons and use them for communication, for individual calls and so on. And for that reason, again, it's a real, absolutely perfect replacement for the radio. So if you like this one, catch the next one, and if you enjoyed it, always thumb up. See you soon.